Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Mini Minds Max. I'm your Abhinav. Today we're going to solve the biggest space mystery. Why does the sun become dark? And why does the moon suddenly become red? Is it magic or is it monster or is it science? Let's find out. What is an eclipse? An eclipse happens when one object in space moves into the shadow of another object. Imagine you're standing in front of a flashlight. Your body blocks the light and creates a shadow. The sun, earth, and moon do the same thing in space. When they line up in a special way, an eclipse happens. What is a solar eclipse? A solar eclipse happens when the moon moves between the sun and the earth. The moon blocks some or all of the sun's light and its shadow falls on earth. For a few minutes, daytime can become almost as dark as night. Safety tip: never look directly at the solar eclipse without special eclipse glasses. It can seriously damage your eyes. What is a lunar eclipse? A lunar eclipse happens when the earth moves between the sun and the moon. The earth's shadow falls onto the moon. Sometimes the moon looks red during a total lunar eclipse. That's why it's called a blood moon. This happens because Earth's atmosphere bends red sunlight onto the moon. Solar eclipse versus lunar eclipse. Here's an easy trick to remember. Solar eclipse, moon comes between the sun and earth. The sun looks dark. Lunar eclipse, earth comes between the sun and moon. The moon looks dark or red. Easy, right? Myth versus fact. Long ago, some people believed a giant monster or dragon was swallowing the sun or moon. But today, scientists know the truth. An eclipse is not magic. It's simply the result of the sun, earth, and moon lining up perfectly. Science makes the universe even more amazing. Fun fact: a total solar eclipse can turn daytime into nighttime for a few minutes. There are 2 to 5 solar eclipses somewhere on Earth every year. You can safely watch a lunar eclipse with your eyes, but you must never look directly at the solar eclipse without proper eclipse glasses. Did you know in 2026 there will be a spectacular total solar eclipse on August 12th and a partial lunar eclipse on August 27th and 28th? If you live in India, you won't be able to see the total solar eclipse, but the path, because its paths will pass over places like Spain, Iceland, Greenland, and parts of Russia. But there's exciting news. Many places in India are expected to see the partial lunar eclipse on the night of August 27th and 28th. If the weather is clear, so don't forget to look up at the sky. This is the quiz time. Question number 1. Which object comes between the sun and the earth during a solar eclipse? Option A, Earth. Option B, Moon. Option C, Mars. Option D, Venus. Question number 2. During the eclipse, what the moon will appear red. Option A, solar eclipse. Option B, lunar eclipse. Option C, Rainbow Eclipse. Option D, Star Eclipse. Fantastic job, little explorers. Today you learned what's an eclipse, what's a solar eclipse, what's a lunar eclipse, the difference between them, and some of the amazing eclipse fun facts. If you enjoyed today's adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mini Minds Math. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep exploring. And see you in the next amazing adventure. Bye bye, little explorers.